This 2020 Forest River Rockwood 1940 Limited is a pop-up RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 20 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 6, Awning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, stove top burner, and 10 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front bedroom, front dinette, front living area, rear bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Rockwood 1940 Limited is 1,608 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.